Hey, it's Nina. Yeah, shake it, shake it. Can you like show who you truly are? Well, listen, honey. I want to have a conversation with you. I have a secret. Can you like listen? Can you give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Why do you love me so much, Shaky? Mm. Why do you do stuff, Shaky? Listen, honey. Mommy wants to talk to you. Listen, when you get older, we're gonna have to have different conversations. Are you like why? No. Okay, I'll let you talk. What you want to say? Hmm? What the hell was that? Hmm? What? Shaky, listen. You always want to kiss me and like what? You kiss my finger. Thank you, Shaky. You such a what? You're such a good friend, Shaky. You love me no matter what. Hmm? Shaky. 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 Happy birthday to me. Shaky, you can't eat my teeth. It's not real food. Listen, calm down. Shaky. Shaky. Hey, Shaky, listen, one day. Okay, okay. Why are you investigating everything? You hear me? Why? Hey, let me kiss. Thank you, Shaky. You're such a great friend, Shaky. When I know nobody cares about me, I know you care about me. But you are a lot to handle sometimes, Shaky. Shaky, calm down. Shaky, how do you leave me? Come on, honey. Come on. Come to mom. Listen, you have to stay close by me. Are you such a great friend? You're such a great friend, Shaky. Shake. Yeah, boo. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Shaky, I love you too. I don't ask for a kiss. What are you doing? You're such a good friend, Shaky. You make me smile. Right? You don't judge me, do you? I haven't been the best person in my life, but close. Do you like trust me, honey? Shaky? I'm asking you a question, honey. Do you love me? Shaky. Hey, come here, honey. Come on. Do you love your mommy? Shaky. How about listen? Let me see. When you lay down next to mommy's face, don't bite me. You just do the most shaky. Hey, dolphin head.